Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a Mailchimp audience. Keeping your audience names clear and consistent makes it much easier to manage campaigns, segment subscribers, and avoid sending emails to the wrong list. So let's walk through the process. First, sign in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Audience. If you only work with one audience, Mailchimp may automatically take you directly into it. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or click to expand it so you can clearly see the Audience option. This is your main area for managing subscribers. Next, move to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a 3 dots icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on it to reveal additional settings. From the drop-down menu, select Audience Settings. This will open the settings page for the selected audience. Near the top of the page, you'll see the current audience name. Click Edit next to the audience name to make it editable. Then type the new name you want to use. Make sure the name is short, descriptive, and easy to recognize. For example, you could use something like Main Newsletter, North America List, or Event Updates Spring 2026. This helps prevent confusion if you manage multiple audiences. Once you're happy with the new name, confirm the change. Mailchimp will apply the update immediately, and you'll see the new name reflected throughout your account. If you don't see the change right away, simply refresh the page. Keep in mind, renaming an audience does not change your subscribers, tags, or segments. It also does not merge audiences or affect your past campaigns. Everything stays the same. Only the name changes. And that's it. That's how you rename a Mailchimp audience.